Emmett is looking at a mirror. He's moving his little leggies. Emmett is 5, almost 6 weeks old. Hi. You gonna talk to Mimi? You got a hiccup.